Welcome back to Ohio Power Tools 12 Buckets of Christmas. Thank you for joining us on the 12th bucket of Christmas. We got the KD44 Kett shear cutting tool. It's not going to fit, it's too big.
Got a DeWalt beer koozie if you get thirsty, want to keep your drink cold.
This is the ICS bag.
Then I got a 5-piece Wiha electrician screwdriver set. Don't get shocked.
It's a good starter kit for getting out on the job for the first time. It's a 16-piece insulated apprentice tool set.
Then I got a OPT branded t-shirt, like this bearded guy over here.
Next up, once you wear the Ohio Power Tools too much, you can switch to a Hogan t-shirt.
Then I got a Crescent coffee mug.
Too high. All right, next we got a Wiha 32-piece standard bit set. You can slide that baby right in your pocket.
And we have an OPT branded tumbler, yeah.
And for your other pocket, pick this one, which is a 36-piece electronic micro bit set.
And then last but not least, we have a Stabila dark shadow level set. It also comes with this handy bag.
Last but not least, area at work hat.
And we also have 10% off all Stabila, Kett, and Wiha items that are in stock.
Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from us here at Ohio Power Tool.
Thank you.